We're coming out of another brutal winter here in Cleveland, Ohio, and of course the up and down temperatures. That can do a lot to a roof over the years, can't it, Jeff?
It can, and this year's been an understatement.
Sure has. So you may be due for new shingles, and if so, we're going to be talking about just the whole idea of asphalt roof replacement and like what's the timeline, what's the process, how does it normally go, what kind of problems do you maybe find sometimes when the shingles come up? Maybe give the folks a sense of what they can look forward to.
So right now is the perfect time to call a roofing contractor if you're looking to have it done in the spring, the summer, or even the fall. Wintertime is not just the time to sit down and think that, oh, they're not going to work until spring or whatnot. Now is the perfect time to catch us. We could walk you through all the steps. We can come out to your house. We could do the inside checks and balances on what you have going to your attic. And right now we'd actually be able to catch if you have a bad system going on, because we're going to catch condensation happening in your attic.
Yeah.
There's a lot of attics we go in at this time of the year that actually have frost and sometimes icicles coming off the nail heads.
Oh, geez, really?
Yes.
Hey, and I should mention, we have some other great videos about just about attic ventilation and what goes on in there that you might want to check out. But so you've checked, so you can actually right now get out, check the attics, get the pre-check coming in, measure the roof, get everything ready to go.
With today's technology, very rarely do we have to get onto a roof anymore to get the measurements.
Right.
Everything is done by
computer, let's be honest.
Computer, electronics, things like that. So there's a lot that we can do even when it's snow covered.
And so let me tell you, so once you get into the job, there must be sometimes things that you see when the old shingles come off. What are some typical things that might need extra attention?
Some things that could go wrong is there's a cathedral ceiling and you're hoping as the roofing contractor that there's a ventilation space between the insulation and the roof decking. Every once in a while we'll come across a roof that the insulation is packed up tight against the decking, but right now is the perfect time to take care of that. We could take the decking off, put in some baffles to create the airflow, put on new decking. That's sometimes some of the worst things that could happen on a roof.
Yeah.
Other things are you have 3/8 plywood on 24 on center. You really want something that's 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8 OSB or plywood on something with a 24 on center.
All right, so that's, and sometimes when you're getting the roof done, you get her done. I mean, it's a long-term investment.
It
always is.
And it's better to have it done correctly now so that the snow loads in the future don't short circuit.
Yeah, and so snow loads are going to come.
Yes.
So right now, if you are interested and maybe you're going to want to get something set up, they can give you a call. And first of all, how they get in touch with you?
You can call or text us at 440-925-0386.
And then you'll go on out, get started, look at the attic. You'll be able to give them an estimate and everything, and they can. So hey, it's worth shopping right now. Know if you want to use triple peaks. Jeff's a good guy. We do a lot of videos, so he's a good guy to work with. Give him a call. Get that roof taken care of.